Have you ever felt the need to conquer your fears, to become a warrior in your own life? If that resonates with you, then you're in the right place. In this video, we will journey through the wisdom of a legendary warrior and conqueror, Genghis Khan. From his physical prowess to his strategic acumen, it was a unique mindset and a burning determination that set him apart. This determination was born from the understanding that while one arrow can easily be broken, many arrows are indestructible. And being a warrior is not about just any action. It's about the kind created in the face of fear, because remember, if you're afraid, don't do it. If you're doing it, don't be afraid. Towards the end, we will delve into the understanding that the pleasure and joy of man lies in conquering the enemy, in tearing him up by the root and taking from him all that he has. Remember, you have no companions but your shadow. People conquered on different sides of the lake should be ruled on different sides of the lake. So, stay tuned till the end to discover how you can apply these lessons to your own life and become the conqueror of your own world. Have you ever thought about the strength in unity, the power in numbers? Imagine a single arrow standing alone. It's swift, it's sharp, but snap it in half and it's done, its purpose lost. Now picture a bundle of arrows held together, each supporting the other. Try to break them, and you'll find the task a daunting one. That's the magic of unity. It transforms the fragile into the formidable, the vulnerable into the unbreakable. It's a lesson we can take from the ancient Mongol warriors. They understood that a solitary soldier, no matter how brave or skilled, could be easily defeated. But a united front, a horde of warriors standing shoulder to shoulder, was a force to be reckoned with. They knew that strength is not just about physical power, it's about unity, about standing together in the face of adversity. Even a mighty warrior cannot break a frail arrow when it is multiplied and supported by its fellows. What is victory worth to you? What are you willing to sacrifice for it? Pause and reflect on these questions for a moment. The cost of victory is often steep, and it's not measured merely in sweat and time. It's measured in the sacrifices you make, the things you give up, the relationships strained or broken. You see, victory demands more than just the desire to win. It asks for your blood, sweat, and tears, yes, but also your time, your peace of mind, and sometimes your very identity. It's an all-consuming fire that can scorch everything in its path, leaving behind a trail of desolation. There's a quote that goes, "One arrow alone can easily be broken, but many arrows are indestructible." This speaks to the power of unity, but also to the cost of victory. Alone, we are vulnerable, easily broken. But together, we are strong, unbreakable. Yet the path to victory can often feel lonely, as we make the tough decisions and bear the weight of our ambitions. The pursuit of victory can be a punishing journey. As the saying goes, an action committed in anger is an action doomed to failure. The road to victory is fraught with obstacles, and it's easy to let anger and frustration cloud our judgment. But these emotions, if unchecked, can lead to our downfall, making the victory all the more costly. Victory also demands courage. The strength of a wall, it is said, is neither greater nor less than the courage of the men who defend it. It's not just about physical strength, but mental fortitude. The courage to keep going, even when the odds are stacked against you. The courage to stand firm in the face of adversity. Victory can bring joy, yes. As one quote puts it, man's highest joy is in victory. But let's not forget the cost. The cost of time, of relationships, of peace of mind. The cost of what could have been. It is not sufficient that I succeed, all others must fail. This sentiment, though harsh, encapsulates the ruthless nature of victory. It's a zero-sum game, a battle of survival where only the fittest prevail. The cost of victory, then, is not just what we sacrifice, but also what we force others to sacrifice. So, ask yourself again, what is victory worth to you? What are you willing to sacrifice for it? Because victory, while sweet, often comes at a steep price. Can you envision a world led by fixed laws, where rest and happiness prevail? Imagine a leader who not only rules with authority, but also with wisdom and compassion. One who considers the nation as a newborn child, caring for its soldiers as if they were brothers. This is the vision of a true leader. Leadership is not about power. It's about responsibility. A leader's duty extends beyond themselves. They carry the hopes and dreams of their people, and their vision shapes the destiny of their nation. They are the architects of the future, painting a picture of what could be, and then bringing that vision to life. A leader's influence is far-reaching. Their decisions ripple through time, touching the lives of those far beyond their immediate reach. It is a role that demands unwavering commitment, a clear vision, and an unyielding resolve. But what is this vision? It's more than a dream or a goal. It is a beacon that guides the leader's actions, a compass that directs their decisions. The vision of a leader is a reflection of their values, their aspirations, and their commitment to their people. Let's take a moment to reflect on the words of a great warrior and leader. Heaven has appointed me to rule all the nations, for hitherto there has been no order upon the steps. Just as God gave different fingers to the hands, so has he given different ways to men. I will rule them by fixed laws so that rest and happiness shall prevail in the world. These words speak volumes about the importance of a leader's vision. It is a call for order, for fairness, and for the pursuit of happiness. It is a commitment to rule with integrity, to respect diversity, and to strive for unity. What legacy do you want to leave behind? What will be your mark on the world? These are powerful questions that each of us must grapple with. The legacy of a conqueror is not just about the territories they've won or the battles they've fought. It's about the impact they've had on the world, the values they've instilled, and the inspiration they've sparked in others. Just think about it. One person can inspire a revolution, ignite a passion, or create a wave of change that ripples through generations. Whether you're a leader, a dreamer, or a lone wolf, you have the power to shape the world and leave a lasting legacy. Your mark on the world may not be carved into stone or written in the annals of history, but it can be etched in the hearts and minds of those you touch. With heaven's aid, I've conquered for you a huge empire, but my life was too short to achieve the conquest of the world. That task is left for you.
What's your next step towards greatness? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to reach new heights. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and keep believing in the power of your dreams.